Hi, this is Involved Innovation YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about how to find an element and add an element to the skip list programmatically. We will use Java code in this example. This algorithm can be modified to any programming language of your choice. We will understand how the node class looks like. We have three variables here: key, which holds the node key, and value, which holds the value, and the level represents the level of this node. And we have four node references. They are up to reference the node which is connected up, and down to reference the node which is connected down, and next to reference the next node that to this node, and previous to reference the previous node connected to this node. The constructor takes in key, value, and level, and the getters and setters for all these variables. Now we will see the skip list class. This has head, which points to the head of the skip list. If there are multiple levels in the skip list, then it points to the top level head node, and the size variable to determine and store the running count of the size of the skip list. Using the random class instance variable to simulate the coin toss. In the constructor initializing the head with the null node, it has a public method such as find node to find element in the skip list, add function to add element in the skip list, and remove to remove an element from the skip list. Now we'll see how the find node function works. We have elements such as 2, 5, 7, 12, 21 in the skip list. We are trying to find element 5 in the skip list. Initially, head is pointed to the level 3 of head node. Assign head to local variable node. We will start with the infinite while loop. We will use the break condition to break this while loop. Now get the next of the current node, head level 3, which is node 12. Now the next is pointing to node 12, level 3. Node 12 key is greater than the key to find. So we are going one level down from the current node, which is head level 2, and assign this to node variable. We are continuing with the next iteration. Now get the next of the node variable, which is node 2 level 2. Assign this node to next variable. Here the next key is 2, which is lesser than the key to be searched, 5. Assign node variable to node 2 level 2, and next to node 12 level 2. The next node key is 12, which is greater than 5. Check if the node key 2 is equivalent to 5, which is not equivalent, so we are going one level down, which is node 2 level 1. Assign this to node variable. Continue with the next iteration. Assign node 7 level 1 to next variable, and check the next node key 7 if it is less than 5. No, 7 is greater than 5. Then check if the current node key is equivalent to 5. Current node key is 2, which is not equivalent to 5. So go one level down from the current node variable, which is node 2 level 0. Continue with this next iteration. Assign the current node next, which is node 5 level 0 to next variable. Here the next key 5 is less than or equivalent to 5. So assign this node to the current node variable. Assigning the next of current node to the next variable. Check if the next key 7 is less than or equivalent to the value to search, 5. No. Then check if the node's key is equivalent to the key to search. Yes, 5 is matching with the 5. So we found the element 5 in the skip list. Now we will see how to add an element to the skip list programmatically. The element to add is 12. First, use the find node function to check if the element exists. If the element is not present, find node function will return the next. Find node function will return the next least element lower level. Here it is node 7 level 0. This node is assigned to the node variable to start with. Create a new node with key, value, and level. The values are 12, 12, and 0 respectively. Using the horizontal link function, link node 7 level 0 next reference to node 12 level 0, and link node 12 level 0 next reference to node 21 level 0. Use the coin toss function to determine the level of the node 12. Here we use the random class next boolean function to get a random boolean value. We got 2 in this iteration, so we are continuing with the while loop. The current level value is 1, which is less than the head level. moving one level up from the current node reference, which is node 7 level 1. Using the horizontal link function, link node 7 level 1 next reference to node 12 level 1 and link node 12 level 1 next reference to tail null, and use the vertical link function to link the node 12 level 1 to node 12 level 2. Use the coin-toss function to determine whether we need to add one more layer. We got true here. The current level value is 2, which is less than the head level, moving one level up from the current node reference, which is node 7 level 1. Node is now pointing to the node 2 level 2. Using the horizontal link function, link node 2 level 2 next reference to node 12 level 2 and link node 12 level 2 next reference to tail null, and use the vertical link function to link the node 12 level 12 to link the node 12 level 2 to node 12 level 1. Continue with the next iteration. Use the coin-toss function to determine whether we need to add one more layer. We got true. The current level value is 3, which is greater than the head level, moving one level up from the current node reference, which is not possible since top of node 2 level 2 is null. So go previous from node 2 level 2, which is head level 2, and go one level up from the head node level 2, which is head level 3. Now node is now pointing to the head level 3. Using the horizontal link function, link head level 3 next reference to node 12 level 3. Link node 12 level 3 next reference to tail null, and use the vertical link function to link the node 12 level 3 to node 12 level 2. Continuing with the next iteration, use the coin-toss function to determine whether we need to add one more layer. We got false, so we have added the node 12 to the skip list. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, we have seen how to find an element programmatically and how to add an element to the skip list programmatically. Thanks for watching. For more technical videos, subscribe to this channel. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends.